Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 56, class 9, subject science, and today we discuss about the gravitation, capital G and small g. Gyan asks, Jigyasa Didi, does the value of G and G remains the same throughout the universe? Jigyasa Didi reply, Gyan, we have learned that the value of capital G, that is gravitational constant, remains same throughout the universe, but earth is not a perfect sphere, due to which the value of small g, that is acceleration due to gravity, is changes, that is greater at the poles and less at the equator. But the value of capital G, that is the universal constant, it remains the same throughout the universe. How to calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity? So students, let's solve this calculation. Suppose this is the earth and this is an object. The mass of the earth is capital M and the mass of object is small m, and the distance between the earth and the mass is d. So the force equals to G mass of earth into mass of object upon d square. For an object near the surface of the earth, the d will be equal to the radius. So the mass of the object then would be negligible, and then the force is equal to the Gm upon r square. Now put the value of G. What is the value of capital G here? The value of capital G is fixed, that is 6.7 into 10 raised to power minus 11. So we put the value 6.7 into 10 raised to power minus 11 into m, that is the mass of earth, 6 into 10 raised to power 24 upon d square r square. R is the radius of earth, that is 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6, and on solving that we get the value which is equals to 9.8. So this is the value of small g, that is the acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. Now there is a differentiate table, student, between capital G and small g. What is the difference among them? First, the value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11, but the value of small g is 9.8. Capital G is a scalar quantity. It means it doesn't tell about the direction. It tells about the only magnitude. Small g is a vector quantity because it gives both magnitude and direction. The value of capital G remains constant, but the value of small g varies. Varies means changes at the different places. Gravitational constant is denoted by capital G and acceleration due to gravity is denoted by small g. It doesn't depend upon the distance between masses, but it depends upon the distance between masses. Let's do the exercise. What does the capital G and small g represent, and what are their SI units? So this is the first answer, student. Capital G is the gravitation. Small g is acceleration due to gravity. So this is the answer of your first question. You have to write both. Differentiate between G and G. This is your second answer, student. You have to write the differentiate table. Now next, an object is placed near to earth. If the distance between the object and earth increase too much, then how will it affect the value of G? The value of G decreases. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity G on the earth? So this is the answer of your fourth question. I think this worksheet is very simple and very easy. If you like that worksheet, share with your friend circle and subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.